Danke bafowethu. Breaking news, uMbekezeli Mbokazi usenkingeni enkulu laphana ku-national team bafowethu. U-coach uHugo Broos ukhulume ne-media, uMbokazi ufike late, cabanga laphana ejimini bafowethu. I-team ihlangane izolo, abanye bahlangane Sunday. Abe-Orlando Pirates-ke bebanikwe amalanga futhi a-extra bafowethu ukuthi ba-relax-e because of bebabuye ukuyodlala laphana ePolokwane i-final. But uMbokazi still ufike late. And then ukhale kakhulu uHugo Broos ebekwatile bafowethu, basibukela i-press conference yakhe. Waze wamenshina nanokuthi uyaphi uMbokazi e-America ngempela, kusho ukuthi akayi-approve i-deal kaMbokazi lo ukuthi ayodlala e-America, nanokuthi i-Chicago Fire i-team enjani, kusho ukuthi akayihloniphi nokuyihlonipha. Uze washo ukuthi uMbokazi mephuma laphana e-ofisini lakhe njengoba emnyama uzophuma emhlophe ngoba u-coach ukwate kakhulu. Uthi ukhulume nano-coach we-Orlando Pirates, coach we-Orlando Pirates naye umangele, futhi lento imfrustrate-ile ukuthi uMbokazi why afika late. But ukusho kwacaca ku-Hugo Broos ukuthi uMbokazi manje secabanga ukuthi uyi-star. That is why enza lezi zinto azenzayo. Sikhumbule ukuthi uMbokazi at the same time u-coach ushilo ukuthi uMbokazi umthumelele i-message mista i-flight yakhe ukuthi why missed i-flight, izinto ezinjalo, but uyasho ukuthi nje nonsense lento le bekamtshela yona. Would we be witnessing the end of umfana? Because of i-behavior bafethu, cabanga uMbokazi bangamselect for i-World Cup sebemselektile for i-AFCON fine, cabanga bangamselect for i-World Cup based on lezi zinto lezi ey'ncane bafethu, yabo. Phela lento le iyak-affect ku-career yakho. Imagine wonke umuntu ufikile and abantu bafike kuna how many days, abantu banabo 5 days manje, 4 days bafikile laphana ekhempini yeBafana Bafana bafowethu, laba abadlalela kwamanye ama-team baripote I think Sunday or Saturday lapho nje. Then abe-Orlando Pirates banika isikhathi, I think abe-Orlando Pirates baripote izolo or nini, uMbokazi ufika yena namhlanje. So and the worst part ukuthi uMbokazi ubonakala e-public bekaye ey'kolweni, angazi ukuthi iy'kolo zakuphi, but bebamthatha ama-video enza ama-appearance, izinto ezinjalo. Konke lokhu bafethu kuyamdisturb umuntu, kuyamphazamisa. Obvious izinto ezikanje zenzeka if unabantu around wena abangakuthanda, abenza ngathi bayakuthanda, abakwenzisa izinto ey'bhedayo wrong bafowethu. So cabanga-ke if impilo yomfana izodistractwa abantu yazi lento le siyayazi sonke bafowethu, uma singayichaza kahle bazothi wena bakutsheli lutho lapha kuBafana Bafana, bathembele kuwe. Kanti bayakulahlekisa, bayakuqeda labo bantu laba, abadlali professional, abangani bakho nje, uyisikhokho sabo ngoba sobathengela everything, bathengela izinto, sibakubona as i-boss because of usayine ne-Chicago Fire, i-deal eripotiwe kuthiwa boma-50 million. I-deal yenza uMbokazi an instant millionaire at the age of 20 manje, njengoba uzohamba immediately after i-AFCON. Ngimbonile ngena laphana kuma-clip egrawundini, Hugo Broos noma emxhawula laphana bengajabulanga u-coach ukuthi umfana phela uMbokazi bengekakwenze lokhu if bekasase ku-Pirates, if bekangahambanga aye ku-Chicago Fire, if ama-performances wakhe bewangekho big kanje, if bekwelinye iplayer bebazovele bamdrophe bamkhansele same time bafowethu. But because of iplayer important, naye kaze sekaba big headed noma influence around yena, there's no way kuthiwa bonke ama-senior players, wonke umuntu uripotile. Abantu abasuka overseas sebafikile, bafike kudala abantu ba-overseas, wena ula e-South Africa uhluleka ukufika. Yeah, angazi ukuthi ngingathini, nami I'm disappointed by umfana bafowethu because of i-reputation yakhe at stake and important. Angasibonisi yini lento le, isimbulela omabizela, ngibize kanjalo, ukuthi sethole everything. Phela imali azoba nayo uMbokazi manje ngoba yaku-Chicago Fire, imali naye bekangakaze acabange ukuthi aphuphe nangayo. Kufana nokuthi uwine ilotho lo muntu lo, all of a sudden sekana everything, influence, sekana everything, even more than izinto aphuphe ngazo. Mina angazi bafowethu, ziyakhala, but isithemba ukuthi umfana after i-meeting yo-coach bekhulume naye uzochaza le wachaza ngakhona and axolisele le waxolisa ngakhona, angaphinde akwenze lokhu bafowethu, because manje into encane iyakubulala. Izinto ezikanjena-ke bafowethu ezibulala abantu, nyazi baqede. Imagine u-coach atshela i-media ukuthi hhayi wena socabanga ukuthi uyi-star, and then u-coach seqalile uku-criticize i-move yakhe ukuthi uyaphi e-America. And into engeke ngayikhuluma, abantu bathi ngikhuluma based on umona, nginama-facts. Bafethu bengisebenzela i-agent, abantu before nje beza kimi bengisebenzela mina one of the biggest agents in the country. Umuntu orepresents ama-player aku-Pirates, aku-Chiefs, aku-Sundowns, aku-TS Galaxy. Almost like I think at the time ngasikhathi ngimsebenzela I think bekuyiwa ama-team awu-2 kuphela ku-PSL bewanganawo ama-player wakhe loya muntu loyo. Waye-ne-influence ngakhona. Izinto bekazenza because ama-agent ilento le, ama-agent awakufiseli iplay into enhle bafowethu. Ama-agent abheka imali azoyithola before. Agent lingakuthatha liyokudlalisa e-Israel. Mawuthi uyabheka i-Israel inenkinga ne-South Africa and then wena as i-player, ngingenzela example, as i-player sozoba nenkinga kuthiwa why udlale Israel izinto ezinjalo, politically seyizoclasha into yakho lese ne-South African government izinto ezinjalo if bona ba-protect i-Palestine, yabo izinto zabo Hamas whatever. Agent lizokuthatha likubeke e-countryni ebhedayo for imali. I've seen this kakhulu. Yazi i-agent like lenzani bafowethu, nginibonise hayi ama-agent ododi babantu, hayi mina ngilazi kahle. I-agent lingakususa ku-Chiefs or ku-Pirates because of awutholi i-game time, likubekele yini team ngikhumbula kahle, khona into engiyikhumbulayo, AmaZulu. I remember there was a player belisebenzela i-Pirates noma beliku-Pirates. Ku-Pirates ihola 70,000, AmaZulu bam-ofara 100 and something thousand. I-agent fee bokuyimali-ke serious lapho ne, i-agent fee nama-signing on fee. I-agent I can't remember because amadili bewahluka ukuthi uthatha 10% or uthatha boma-15%. Aphinde abarobhe nokubarobha abafana because of abazi bona ukuthi i-team ikhiphe emalini angithi. Yena uzokutshela nje and then uzokunika lokhu akunika kona, especially abafana abancane abangazazi izinto zama-contract nama-clause zonke lezo zinto ama-image rights. Bebarojwa-ke abafana kwesinye isikhathi ukutholela idili ukutholela idili ne-Samsung, ukunika ifoni nje kuphela, awazi ukuthi i-Samsung imnike 2 million ukuthi isebenzise ubuso bakho. So izinto into bengiyi-questiona na last week into kaMbokazi ngithi i-movie nangu Hugo Bros sekhulumile ukuthi uyaphi uHugo Bros lapha because of Chicago Fire number 1, team encane, izomsiza ngani zonke lezo zinto lezo. So is it a good move? And uMbokazi azange ayipush. By the way, I think kubalulekile futhi ukumention ukuthi bafowethu i-Chicago Fire ayikazi imfune uMbokazi ne. It's important, ayikazi imfune uMbokazi, abantu into abangayazi ayikazi imfune. I-agent lakhe la submitter ama-details kwaMbokazi your profile ku-Chicago Fire, and then why bangalindanga isizini ukuthi iphele ukuthi uMbokazi ahambe? Because it would have made sense ukuthi adlale ku-Orlando Pirates until isizini iphela. There's no rush ukuthi aye e-United States bafowethu manje at this current moment because of isikhala sakhe. If akadlali laphana ku-Chicago Fire ngeke bamselect kuBafana. So as things stand kanje, asazi ukuthi indaba yakhe neBafana ime kanjani after AFCON, but-ke yena siyazi ukuthi uMbokazi u-strong, u-super talented. I mean ukuphumelela kwaMbokazi ku-simple because of lento ikuye i-natural, yabo. But bazomdlalisa na because of kunamapolitika amanye mawufika ethimini. Sometimes mawufika ethimini awuvele ufike udlale nje ngoba kune-discrimination ukuthi i-African umnyama, uyodlala ezweni labantu abamhlophe, mawubheka ama-teammates wakho ukuthi anjani. Ziningi izinto ezikhona eziku-affectayo. uMbokazi u-ready na? I-question engiyibuzayo, I'm not saying he's not ready, but-ke i-deal yakhe masibheka i-premature. Yes, i-change impilo yakhe, agent lakhe li-benefita liseyama-millions. I-agent elwinayo lana ni-play. uMbokazi kuthiwa uhambe end of the ulindile wadlala i-AFCON and then wadlala i-World Cup. After lapho bekuzoze even a bigger team after ama-performances wakhe bambonile. But I'm not blaming i-deal bafowethu, imali right, inhle kakhulu for uMbokazi. Sithembe ukuthi ngeke asibonise like uthi njengoMHugo Bros asho ukuthi kuqala manje uze wathi ukuthi ama-South African players ne-bad behavior. Sekenze example ngoMbokazi, asifuni thina ukuyibona lento le. Siyamfavor umfana, siyamsupporta as an individual, sifuna ukubona impilo yakhe ishintsha, singasho ukuthi kwakukhona u-TLB but wamosha nga-1 2 3. Yes, uMbokazi ngeke even if ku-Chicago Fire izinto azihambi kahle uzobuya eSouth Africa, amanye ama-teams azomthatha futhi. Khona ama-teams yazomthatha maningi futhi, usasenabo ama-10 years because of simbonile ukuthi udlala kanjani, uzinikela kanjani. But ukuphatha kwakhe outside the field of play uko okuzodetermine ukuthi uzoya kuphi empilweni. Cause angifuni ukukhuluma igama lalo muntu lo. Khona umuntu mina engabona bamnika ama-chances for for over 10 years bafowethu ngimbukela abanamaphutha and lo muntu lo waphefoma kahle but bekangekho fit nokuba fit, but-ke njalo mebemnika i-chance ukuthi aphefome bafowethu, ukuthi a-represent i-team bedlala kahle kakhulu, but outside the field of play there was no discipline at all. Aloke yehla i-performance yakhe yehla wagcina waphela ngayo. Lo muntu lo bekumele ngabe uyi-icon ebholeni lase-South Africa, but-ke abantu abamazi nokumazi namhlanje. Lo muntu lo bekazoba he could have easily been the greatest defender ever. Bengabe uyi-captain yeBafana Bafana nge-2010 based on i-talent lakhe. No one was more matured in terms of i-football IQ yakhe, but because of behavior yakhe uphelele. Hayi, kazi ubani owenzisa umbokazi ukuthi hlala wena uzobabona labantu laba, ngoba ngiyazazi iy'ngqondo zabantu, but-ke naye angablame abanye abantu, bekumele areporte ethimini emsebenzini wakhe, cause uyile nto leya yiyo ukuthi sebamazi umhlaba wonke because of i-pedigree yakhe nanokuthi nakuBafana Bafana ukhona. Cela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Sofika maduzane. I think ngoJanuary, by the time ikuphela this month sobe sesi-close ku-15,000 if asikakafiki.